Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Fit 4 and I'm gonna show you how to install applications on this watch. Before we start, if you want to install applications on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the HUAWEI Health application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the HUAWEI Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So find the HUAWEI Health icon, tap on it to open the app. In the application you should see the Health page. Now tap on Devices to open the Devices page. On this page you should see your HUAWEI Watch Fit 4. Tap on it to select it, and here we have the device page for our watch. Now scroll down and look for the option called AppGallery. It's possible you're missing this option, because I've seen stuff like that on the internet. Apparently people are having problems sometimes not seeing this option, and if it is the case, I think one possible fix could be that to try to reinstall the HUAWEI Health application and select a different service region when you're asked to select one, because I believe some of the regions basically don't have this feature or support for this feature. So if you select the right one, it should be working. For example, I'm using United Kingdom and it's working fine, so I recommend try it. Hopefully it will solve your problem. And once you see the app gallery, you can tap on it, and here we have the list of applications we can install on our watch. Find the app you want to install. You can tap on the install button next to it like this, and it will start installing. And once the install button changed to installed, it means that the application is done installing. And if you open the menu on your watch, the icon should be somewhere at the bottom. Here we have it. You can also tap on the app itself to see the description of the app and screenshots and stuff like that before you decide to not update but install it. And once you decided to install, you can also tap on install right here and it will install the application. If you want to check the list of applications installed on your watch, you can tap on Manager, Installation Manager, and here we have the list of applications installed on our watch. Okay, and I believe that's all. That's how you install the applications on this watch. So thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.